Cześć! I hope you are doing wonderful. Today I'm sharing the beginning of the project that I started in January, a chair makeover. This is the chair that was always around in my childhood home, and I have a lot of great memories associated with it. As you can see, I already took it apart, and I started with the cushion. I seam ripped it and used the existing fabric as a template. You can see the original color of the fabric. I fold the front part in half and place it in the middle of the print, so that the pattern is symmetrical. I marked and cut the fabric. I choose one of my favorite patterns, Tree of Life, because I think that blue and white is neutral and pairs beautifully with everything. I repeat the process with other templates. My fabric was too narrow for the middle part, that's why I had to patch it up. I made the piping using an upholstery cord and sewed it to the middle part of the cushion. I repeated it on the other side, pressing it with an iron after. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe, it really means a lot. Using safety pins, I secured the zipper to the front. I sew the zipper in place using a zipper foot. I wanted to create a placket that hides it. That's why I added 3 cm on the bottom of the front of the template. Now I can fold the fabric so it nicely hides the zipper. Then I sew the zipper once again. Next step was to attach the other side of the zipper. Now it's hidden and more elegant. I really love how it came out. It's great to press after sewing, so it better holds its shape. I joined the middle part with the front and back. This side looks great and the shape is right, but the opposite side looks uneven. That's why I have to shape this by hand sewing. Shape this by hand to achieve uneven corners. I began hand sewing. I found out that not everything goes well the first time. Sometimes you have to rip something and start all over, or hand sew it so it looks like you originally wanted. The finishing touches make a big difference and create a custom finish. Here is the finished cushion. I'm really happy with the result. The fabric is looking great and I can't wait for the whole chair to be finished. Finally, after the long winter, sunny days have come. Sometimes life has other plans for us, and some projects are taking more time than we wanted them to. I used the few free moments I had to switch around some of my decor. For me, home is constantly changing, evolving, to better suit our family. I wanted to include a painting that I painted a few years ago in my living room. I think the color suits the palette, but I can't seem to find a place for it. I take great pleasure of collecting and curating every corner of our home, and I like making it more cozy. Before I go, I wanted to share with you a wonderful book that I received as a gift from my husband. It resonates with me deeply and it's a great source of inspiration. I already have a few new ideas that I want to accomplish. Forever Beautiful is a showcase of the designs of the wonderful designer Mark D. Sykes. He has great take on classic aesthetics and I love his use of color and wallpapers in the interiors. My full review of this book will be on the channel soon. Meanwhile, take care. Do zobaczenia.